don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mackenzie 1. I'm joined by Sisi.
Sure, it's cheap.
Coach Sisi.
Nandi.
Nandi.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Bittersweet.
Yeah.
Bittersweet end to the season. And for me, I think there's a lot that could have been done, but you know what? I think it was fate. Nonetheless, I think when I look at J Pirates overall throughout the time, I think a lot of things were compromised in terms of the way Slalanga corner.
Sure.
It's not a matter of Guti, maybe I'm a tactics coach, but I think when it comes to what can I say, the players that we had.
Yeah.
When I look at the inconsistencies of the league, I think at first Kahambu Chukamanja. And Ukamba Chukamanja, I think for me now, that's where izinto vele ziqale nokuchange ngakhona if you really thought about it, because at that time uMabasa bekangekho beka ku loan, you understand, and at that time besinoMakgopa futhi. So and when you look at this season also, there were also stories ngoSaleng, so 90% of our attack was cut out. So what I'm trying to say ukuthi we had Unkotha. Sometimes I feel like Unkotha makadlala jo uzifaka under pressure. I feel like he has a lot of big shoes to fill in, you understand, but he's still young and he still has a lot to learn. So for me, mangimbhekile Vandag ngibona ngathi umuntu who gets lost in the game sometimes angazazi ukuthi kumela yenzeni, so kumele azigaya isikhathi, uyabona. So I think the foundation for iBhakaniya lona has been laid there. I can't say ukuthi ucoach ozayo no kumele azwakale azobuilder yini into kumele abuilde, because kumele aqhubeke ngayo. I think the hardest thing to find nowadays vele ukuthi uthole ucoach, I player ungayiscouta vele, but ukuscouta ucoach odlala ngale ndlela esidlala ngayo, I think into ezosenza ukuthi siphumelele phambili, uyangithola. So there's a lot of highlights mina engakhuluma ngazo, especially as this season, but look, we've been coming second to Sundowns for a whole lot of years, and it's I could say it's a blessing also, but falling second, I mean, for Pirates, it's quite a disappointment for me at the end of the day, because if you really think about it, the derby was no longer Pirates and Chiefs. It was, for me, I think Sundowns had taken that spotlight. So when I say Guti Stinger, coach, we need a coach ozokwazi ukuthi athathisane neSundowns, uyangithola. So and for this season, mina ngicabanga kwami nje, I think it's a scam to have a player not to have a player fana no riding lo mchita lo umfukeng ukuthi ingadlali CAF, or to actually win riding. A player of the season. Yeah. So another thing is, I think a lot of things need to change, especially when it comes to the dynamic of riding to midfield the Pirates. For one, I'd go to the two games that we played before Chiefs.
Yes.
Yeah, the final of Chiefs.
Yes.
I think one thing they know, Guti, you know what, Masofaka Ukabelo Dlamini, he's good going forward. He's very exceptional. Yeah. But when it comes to our rest defense, teams know very well ukuthi you know what umchita makaya phambili, or maybe let's say tisibabambe ku low block. I know ukuthi ngizoyekela umakhehleni lapha yana, but ngizoya ku Kabelo. When I look at lela goal elingenile le pyramid lela le 3 baze ba equalize bafake ngegoal, they actually took the ball from uKabelo lapha in the middle. You get what I'm saying? Baltata, then bal counter. Even nakule game Chiefs, we overloaded the final third riding Chiefs, forgetting very well ukuthi Umar bebamshiya one lapha. So I think each team, when it transitions, that's where it changes. That's why we have a player fana no Slep that are actually brought in. But another player that I'm actually not impressed with the most is Umadiba. I don't know. For me, I don't think he's Pirates material. Maybe as time goes, he will improve. Young taller, but to be honest, we really need a coach that will actually bring in the holy grail. I mean, for the past years, if you think about it, after Ukrol, we had Rocha Tessa, who played, I think, mainly played all finals but didn't win one. We lost to Egypt, IKEF. Then the next day, I think it was Utinkla, where we lost it to Zamalek.
Yeah.
So this year was the Pyramids. So I think coach also, he has a lot of big shoes to fill. I'm not necessarily worried about Nedbank Cup, about MTN 8.
Yeah.
Now we need the holy grail. I don't think Sundowns, if they actually set their objectives high or Obama's compare, they would actually compare themselves with any other team. That's why for Bona, it's very imperative with Tibatole is Stasis 2, so that they'll be the best team above us. You get what I'm saying? So Mina, as a pioneer, I know very well good thing having Nazita is it, but somehow kubangathi kunale le engaslandeli. So ucoach ozwakalayo mfethu, I don't know. Mele kube umuntu ozibhekile asifuna umuntu ochansayo ngayi. Yeah, injalo team.
Uncikazi yena.
Look, mfethu ivari lafuneka. Ucoach no coach uyazazi strength sakhe. I think abanye bakhala ngoMakhanya. uMakhanya strength sakhe siku development. You understand? I-development yethu ayiwini, but I think yena exceptional ushaya umsebenzi okubhayo prepare le ntwana ukuthi zingene ku first team. Uncikazi, there were a lot of points which Jose said about him. He's the one that actually gave him an overview of the players that are playing good, go Pirates. But it seems like ngathi leyo mentality kuyalahleka, but siyazi ukuthi vele mastermind ubekubani. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, ngamfaka laphayana ukuthi ahlale ku assistant, but in terms of ukuthi coach, I'm still not convinced at all. But in terms of the development yonke into esinayo lana, I think we're doing pretty much a good job, because Jose and I used to say ukuthi, the national team is a reflection of the players that you have in your league. So when I look at the amount of players that actually were called up as the Pirates, you would tell good, the direction that the team is taking or going forward, ikhona. I don't think ukuthi ukhona ucoach lana emhlabeni ongathanda ukusibana neintwana ezincane is innovative enough nje ukuthatha le ntwana azibeke phambili. You understand? You do find ama teams are orkant, like for example Liverpool ithathe i-league ngocoach you see, so the foundation was set already there. So, but in that sense, you need someone that's gonna carry on from what he has and mix ngaleo experience le. Because I feel like a lot has been invested that. Then the following season, gila again esingayenza ama adjustment corner. But umuntu ozobreaka le system le, akakhohlwa.
Thank you, coach.
Sure.
Top stuff, coach.